This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great having you join me here in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over a fun strumming pattern that works well for 4/4 time. This is a 2-measure pattern. So we typically have been doing 1-measure patterns, but this one stretches across 2 measures, and it's going to be super great. Of course, after I've gone over it, we'll jam together on a chord progression using this strumming pattern right along with bass and drums accompaniment. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 93 and 94. This is strumming pattern number 28, found on page 93. We're going to be jamming together on chord progression number 11 on page 94. Okay, so this one has some familiar things to us from previous videos where we've worked on different strumming patterns, but we've got this across 2 measures, so that's new, and we've got some more syncopation added in. So we start off with the down, down, up, down, up, down, up strumming. We've done that before. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's one of our most classic strumming patterns that we've been learning all throughout the lesson series. But now we're going to get into a second measure. It's going to be a little different. We're going to tie across and have up, down, up, up, down, up. So we've got those 2 ties there. So we'd have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 4, and 4, and getting my counting just happening there, and 2, and 4, and, but 1, 2, ready, you'd have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Now, if we were to practice that with a chord, we're going to be playing in the key of A major, so I'll just take an A chord. We'd have ready and super fun. The chord progression we're going to be playing has 1 chord per measure, so that means we got a second chord coming in on the second half of that strumming pattern. When that happens, we want to anticipate across the bar line and bring that new chord in on that last up strum of the first measure. So we're going to be going, for example, from A to D in some places, so we'd have down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And we'll just practice going back and forth between A and D just a little bit. So you'd have 1, 2, ready, and like that. And of course there'll be some other chords you could practice. Also, we'll also be playing the E7 chord, so you could practice with that one if you'd like to as well. Here in the video though, we're going to jam together on this chord progression. So we're playing number 11 on page 94. It'll happen first at a slower tempo and then again at a faster tempo. We're going to insert this every 2 measures. So we've got 1 chord happening per bar in this chord progression. So that means 1 chord here, 1 chord there, and we'll be going through the whole chord progression that way. So this goes in every 2 measures. All right, it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play this together. Alright, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a strumming pattern that works for 12/8 time. So we've worked a little bit in 12/8 time before, and we're going to learn a new strumming pattern. It's kind of fun, kind of tricky for 12/8 time. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.